Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, who's holding a meeting with the Prime Minister on the ongoing operations and situational briefing on Pahalgam. The Raksha Mantri first went to South Block, where he was briefed by the Army Chief. These are details that we have with us at this point in time. Shivani is connecting in. Shivani, take us through what is expected as far as this meeting is concerned. We had the Raksha Mantri briefing the Prime Minister. These terrorists have been holed up for almost a week now, and the army's combing operations in this region continues.
Sneha, there is a multi-dimensional operation that goes on after the Pahalgam attack, and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has already started briefing Prime Minister Narendra Modi at his residence at 7 LKN, where we are reporting from right now. And before this, we've also seen that how Raksha Mantri had already met Prime Minister after he had returned to India after his Saudi Arabia trip, cutting it short. And yesterday a briefing was given to the Raksha Mantri by the CDS, and prior to that also we've seen how he has been monitoring the situation and taking briefings from all the three chiefs, not only about the operations that go on at the Pahalgam terror attack site, but also along the line of control, responding to the provocative firing by Pakistan since last 4 nights and violating ceasefires. Also, the three different services, the Indian Navy, the Indian Air Force, along with the Indian Army, have been involved in a number of demonstration operations, giving a loud and clear message across to the terror state Pakistan that how India is not only prepared on the military front, but it can take any kind of action to avenge the deaths of the innocent people, and also to give a very strong message to Pakistan that has been supporting the terror state. Here, Defence Minister is briefing Prime Minister about the situation that is actually ongoing of the operations at Pahalgam, where the terrorists are being looked for by the security forces. The Indian Army has also deployed additional forces close to this area, and also how the hideouts of these terrorists and the people who have been supporting these terrorists are being blown out. We are actually showing every day how these terror supporters are being now taken on by the defence forces, also the security forces also, and here multiple meetings are happening each day. This is Defence Minister Rajnath Singh's second meeting with the Prime Minister after the Pahalgam attack, and he's briefing Prime Minister about the ongoing operations and also what is there as a plan by the forces to retaliate.
Pani, I'm going to come back to you in a moment from now. The horrific terror attack, and it continues to play out in the country, and the manner in which India is preparing for a response to this. Essentially, the Defence Minister